Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to fix the Discord loading chunk failed error that prevents the app from loading properly. This usually happens because of corrupted cache or outdated files, and the fix is simple. First, completely close Discord, then press Windows plus R and type %sign app data, %sign, find the Discord folder, and delete it to clear the cache. After that, go to %sign local app data %sign, delete the Discord folder there too, and then restart your PC. Once done, download the latest version of Discord from the official website and reinstall it. If you're on browser, clear your cookies and cache or try switching to another browser. For mobile users, go into your phone settings, clear app cache and data, then reinstall from the App Store or Play Store. In most cases, these steps fix the chunk loading issue and let Discord run smoothly again. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.